Hello, I am here to present the task 3 of the Data Sciences Business and Analytics internship uh, conducted by the Sparks Foundation. I am from April 2024 batch. My name is Neela Krishna. So, the objective of this task is to find the weak areas where work is needed to make the profit, and based on data exploration, we have to find the business problems. So, I have used Microsoft Power BI tool for that. And as can be seen here, there are some columns in this Superstore dataset. So basically, there are three segments here: consumer segment, corporate segment, and home office segment. And based on ship mode, first class, same day, second class, standard class, these are the ship modes. Country only considered it in the dataset is United States. There are different cities there, and states are there: postal code, regions. There are three different categories: furniture, office supplies, and technology. These are the sales amount of each subcategory and the quantity for each product, the discount value. There are some discount values and the final profit. So we have to find out what could be the possible reasons behind loss in some uh, consumer segments and corporate and home office segments based on ship mode, like first class, same day delivery, second class, or standard class. So, as a business analytics manager, one need to find out the possible causes for that. Um, so, I have thoroughly reviewed the data set. After that, I uh, built a Power BI report here. As can be seen that the total profit is 286K, and the total sales amount is 11 millions. These are the two, uh, as can be seen as card visuals. And apart from that, I have created some slicers here: region, segment, shape mode. These are the stacked column charts, stacked bar charts, and these are the three stacked bar charts. And this one is also a different kind of stacked column chart. So based on the region, segment, and shape mode, we can categorize the uh, profit and sales in different states. So uh, first we start with the central region. So in the central region, total profit amount is 40K and sales is 2 million. So uh, if I try to find out based on the category, so the profit is technology and office supplies category gives some amount of profit, but the company, the superstore, is bearing some loss in the furniture category. So this is the total sales uh, based on by category here. So all the three segments, office supplies, furniture, and technology, are more or less the same. These are top five states based on sales. So Texas is leading that, following by Michigan, Illinois, Indiana, and Wisconsin. So if we in the central region, there are two states which showing a loss here: Illinois and Texas. And there are some South Dakota and North Dakota is showing no profit and no loss. And apart from that, some other regions are other profit. Other states are showing some profit here. Now, if we go to the South state, uh, there are Florida, Tennessee, and North Carolina showing loss here. So the possible causes could be uh, loss in the sales of furniture and technology. These are showing here. So overall is a loss in the total sales. Possible reason, there is a no sales in this region, so the company is bearing loss from this state. And similarly from the east region, uh, there are some most profitable are technology and office supplies. Furniture sales are also giving some profit, but in the two states, Pennsylvania and Ohio, are showing a loss here. So if we try to find out, uh, the sales is somewhat value shows here, but the overall profit is negative. It means that there is a loss. And if we try to find out the Ohio state, there is a huge loss in the technology sector and some loss in the furniture. Office supply is showing no profit here. So if we try to find out in the west sector, West region, there is still some loss, states showing some loss like Oregon, Arizona, and Colorado. So in the largest loss in the Colorado region. If we try to find out these two segments, the technology and furniture are contributing to the loss. So this because due to there is no sales in this region of this one. If we talk about on the east region, there is a total profit of 92K and total sales is 3 millions. So in the top five states based on the sales here, we are New York, Pennsylvania, Ohio, New Jersey, and Massachusetts. So now if we try to find out the sales and profit based on segment. So first we try to take the consumer segment. So in the consumer segment, total profit is 134K, sales is 6 million. There is still some states which are showing loss here, like it can be seen that there is Oregon, Arizona, Colorado, and followed by all these Pennsylvania, Texas showing loss uh, rather than profit. And there are two regions like West Virginia and Florida showing no profit and no loss. Uh, Apart from that, if we try to find out in the corporate segment, technology and office supplies is contributing more to the profit rather than furniture sales. So if we try to find out sales by category here, so technology, office supplies, and furniture are more or less the same sales amount, but the profit is more in the technology and office supplies sales. So it means that in the corporate segment, furnitures are not giving good profit here. Now, if we try to find out in the homes office, still the same scenario here. Some profit and sales here. Furniture is still not in the very good profit picture here, and some states are showing negative values that they are in the loss, contributing to the loss of the superstore sales. So if we try to find out in the Colorado, so technology technology supplies is not good there. So it could be a region that there is a loss of the technology products. Office supplies is showing a no profit here, and there is no sales in this Colorado region. So the super sales should consider these regions to uh, try to find out the region for this loss in this state. Superstore Superstore sales will try to uh, find out the strong reason behind this. Uh, there are some possible reasons like uh, consumer and corporate and home office segments are not interested in uh, these uh, these supplies here, technology, office supplies, and furniture. And Superstore should try to uh, uh, conduct some marketing campaigns there to increase the sales in these regions. We are showing a loss in these. We are showing loss in these states. Now, based on the shipping mode, if we try to take first class here, the profit given by the technology office supplies are quite good here, but furniture is still lagging behind. So, and based on sales by category, so sales is technology furniture is quite good, but office supplies is somewhat less from other two. And top five states based on sales are California, New York, Washington, Texas, and Pennsylvania. Now, if we try to find out the same day delivery, same day ship mode, sorry, and profit is still furniture is lagging behind in the profit scenario, and sales is almost decreasing order from technology to office supplies. And regarding states, some states are showing loss here. Uh, so these states are showing loss in the profit contribution. So the superstore should conduct some marketing campaigns in these states and try to uh, attract those customers by giving discounts and try to increase the profit there. So if you try to find out in the second class shipping mode, so the scenario is more or less the same, but the second class ship mode, there are very less states which are uh, showing loss here, as compared to other scenarios. So hardly 6 states are there which are showing contributing to the loss. So the largest one is the Pennsylvania here. Uh, so there is a loss in all the three uh, sales categories: office supplies, technology, and furniture. So and the second class is the highest contribute to the California here. If we try to go to the standard class, uh, there is profit of 164,000 and sales is 7 million. Uh, Technology office supplies is somewhat more or less the same in the profit scenario, but furniture is quite lagging behind furniture sales. And there are still some significant amount of states, a significant number of states which are showing a loss, which are contributing to the loss of the superstore. So some and California is still in the first place for providing profit. So that's it from my end. Thank you very much.